Last time we spoke about the Creator Tools Lab. We just briefly introduced the different apps in this Creator Tools Lab. But we did focus on the Fixer Perfect Image Enhancer and the audio tool called the Exact Audio Cutter. Okay, today we will be speaking about a video app that we just created called the Video Map Cleaner. Okay, this is from Kling. This is a very short video from Kling. And if you're using the free plan with Kling, we get a watermark. Okay, so to remove that watermark, you have to go looking for a video watermark remover online. Okay, mostly they're paid tools, but we decided to create a free tool that anyone can use online, pay at any time, and it is free forever. So let's get into the apps. Bring in the video. Okay, so everything is set for you. This is the perfect parameters right now, but you can actually tweak it to whatever you want. This is on auto detect right now. It's on sensitivity, it's medium, scan read, and as corners. Okay, because this is at the corner right here. And then you can scan the video if you're going to use the tab. But usually what I just do is just go ahead and select the watermark. Okay, you see that automatic. And then it goes, and then we go and clean and export. Let's go through this feature right here. You have the in-paint blend. Okay, this one it's blending and in-painting as it erases the watermark on the video. This I believe I have found to be the best. Okay, and then I found these are the best parameters. And then 4 passes I have found to be the best as well. And then the spend all the way maximum strength. You can use this because I guess it has something to do with the way the app is built. Okay, and then quality is medium. I haven't tried high or low. I just pick it up medium, and it gives me what I want. Okay. Okay, so let's just go ahead and clean the site. And then if you review a preview, okay, you can maximize this here. Maximize it on C resolve, okay? And then escape to get out of it. And then you can download. Okay? Let's open this download and see. So if you want to remove that watermark, that pesky watermark, that if you just want to get rid of, this is the place for it. Come to our website, TechSolveHQ, and then go to the Creator Tools Lab on the bottom. Then under video, you should be able to find it there. Okay, on the video. And this is a free tool. It's going to be free forever. Okay, so but it's really difficult to find video watermark that is. I can read CapCut has a free one, right? I'm not so sure, but I believe we do have a free watermark video remover. We are offering it for free. Okay, so you can use the website, and this is a free tool, or you don't have to pay anything for it, and we get that watermark removed. Okay, I believe we do carry longer video, so okay, just give it a try. I haven't tried it with a longer video, but I believe it does work as well. Okay, so this is TechSolveHQ, and we're talking about the video mark cleaner. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. And please subscribe and like that video. Okay, let's spread the good news. Thank you.
Before you go, take a look at the video on the right. In this video, I'm showing you another free tool from the Creator Tools Lab from the TechSolveHQ website, the Exact Audio Cutter. This tool is built for clean, accurate audio cuts, so you can trim your audio exactly where you need it. No bloated software, no unnecessary steps, just a simple tool that gets the job done.